Exciting news has emerged regarding the battery performance of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and its fellow models in the iPhone 15 lineup. According to a battery test conducted by Tom's Guide, every variant of the iPhone 15 has demonstrated remarkable improvements in battery life compared to their iPhone 14 predecessors. In the test, which involved continuous web surfing at 150 nits of screen brightness, the iPhone 15 Plus and iPhone 15 Pro Max emerged as the top performers, earning a spot on the best phone battery life list. Let's delve into the specifics of the battery life improvements for each iPhone 15 model. Asterisk iPhone 15 battery life. Asterisk, the 6.1-inch iPhone 15 is reported to house a 3,349 mAh battery, slightly larger than the iPhone 14's 3,279 mAh battery. Despite this modest increase, the iPhone 15 significantly outperformed its predecessor, lasting 11 hours and 5 minutes on the Tom's Guide battery test. This impressive runtime exceeded the iPhone 14's endurance by about an hour and a half. It also outlasted the Samsung Galaxy S23 in adaptive mode, although the S23 lasted slightly longer in 60Hz mode. Notably, the iPhone 15 boasts a 60Hz refresh rate, while the Google Pixel 7 lagged behind with only 7 hours and 14 minutes of battery life. Asterisk iPhone 15 Plus battery life. Asterisk investing an additional $100 in the iPhone 15 Plus over the standard iPhone 15 proved worthwhile in terms of battery life. The iPhone 15 Plus impressed with a runtime of 14 hours and 14 minutes, a significant improvement over the iPhone 14 Plus, which managed just under 12 hours. This 2-hour gain put it ahead of the Galaxy S23 Plus, which lasted 2 hours less in both adaptive and 60Hz modes.